in 1997, their estimate was that 2 out of 100 medication errors could result in an adverse drug event. Healthcare expenses and the administration of healthcare is a big concern for all of us. The other factor there, and probably the more important one, is the quality of care.
With PatientSafe Solutions, what we've created is a product that we call PatientTouch, and it's the world's first smart device designed for healthcare. And with this system, then, we are able to take all of that disparate information that's floating around the hospital and put it in the hands of the caregiver and use all that relevant information to make sure we're doing the right thing at the right time in the right sequence with the right patient.
We see this device as a helper, as an aid to patient care. It changed the way we do our job here on the unit in that I can look at patients' medications, I can see everything they've been given, I can see everything that's available right at bedside. I don't have to walk all the way back to my computer to check it out. So it makes the flow a lot easier.
The one thing that I really enjoy about the PatientTouch system is that it's very easy to use. It doesn't disrupt our workflow in the pharmacy. It actually incorporates bedside point of care into our workflow and makes it very easy.
So our implementation process went really well. We worked with their team to come up with a custom implementation plan, and we piloted it on our one unit, and that was also the beta site. And they worked through all the processes there, and our nurses right away started on that floor started really liking the product. Within 2 days, they didn't want to go back to the old one. After the beta, then we rolled it out house-wide.
We estimate the cost of an adverse drug event somewhere around $5,000 to correct that error. So if you assume that 2 out of 100 of our near misses potentially could have resulted in an adverse drug event, then it's fairly easy to identify that maybe we're saving somewhere between $50,000 and $60,000 a month. And I joke that when I was nursing, I never made a medication error. And all that means is that I didn't know I made a medication error. No nurse would ever want to harm a patient. And the reassurance that they're doing the right thing at the right time for the right patient is very comforting to them.